We're now about 6 months into the Galaxy S25 era, and Samsung is already shifting its focus. The Galaxy Z Fold 7 and Flip 7 have just launched, but attention is quickly turning to what's coming next, the Galaxy S26 Ultra. And let me tell you, the leaks are heating up. According to early reports, the S26 Ultra is expected to be both slimmer and lighter than its predecessor, the S25 Ultra. Sounds promising, right? But here's the twist. Despite the slimmer profile, Samsung is reportedly increasing the display size even further. Just as a reminder, the S25 Ultra already saw a size bump this year, from 6.82 inches on the S24 Ultra to 6.86 inches. While the change was subtle, Samsung pulled it off by trimming the bezels rather than enlarging the phone itself. And now it seems they're planning to do it all over again. According to Ice Universe, Samsung may increase the display size on the Galaxy S26 Ultra to 6.89 inches. Sure, that's only a 0.03 inch bump, but in the world of ultra-thin bezels and precision engineering, that's actually quite significant. To make this work, Samsung would need to reduce the bezel thickness from 1.2 millimeters to approximately 1.15 millimeters. On paper, it's a minuscule change, but in the hand, the screen will appear noticeably larger. As with the S25 Ultra, Samsung is likely to round up the specs and market it as a 6.9-inch display. Interestingly, Apple is reportedly taking a similar route with the upcoming iPhone 16 Pro, aiming to reduce bezel size below 1.2 millimeters using advanced display technology that also delivers a thinner, brighter panel without sacrificing battery life. So clearly, both Samsung and Apple are playing in the same league here. But here's the reality check. The S25 Ultra already feels like a sizable slab in hand. Adding more screen real estate sounds exciting, but it won't help when it comes to one-handed use. The only potential saving grace? Samsung may slightly round off the corners and trim some weight, which could help make the device a bit more comfortable to handle. That said, even 6 months after its launch, the Galaxy S25 Ultra remains one of the standout smartphones of the year. But let's be honest, it's not without flaws. The camera improvements were barely noticeable, and the battery life didn't show any meaningful gains. And if early leaks are to be believed, Samsung doesn't seem eager to change that with the S26 Ultra either. Instead, the focus appears to be on making the device thinner, lighter, and more premium to the touch. So here's the question. Does a slightly larger screen on an already massive phone truly add value, or should Samsung be investing in upgrades that actually matter, like better battery life and real camera improvements? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. I'd love to hear what you think. And as always, thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, take care and keep smiling.